Witness the incredible phenomenon of bird migration. Billions embark on epic journeys across continents. But why do they undertake such perilous travels? Bird migration is the seasonal movement from one region to another, typically for feeding or breeding. It's a natural wonder driven by survival instincts. One primary reason is food scarcity. As winter approaches in colder climates, insects disappear and plant life dies back, leaving birds with little to eat. Many birds rely heavily on insects for protein, especially during breeding. Heading south ensures a steady supply of vital nutrition for them and their offspring. Harsh weather is another major factor. Extreme cold, snow, and ice make survival difficult, burning precious energy birds need to stay warm. By migrating, birds avoid the energy-draining struggle of winter. They seek milder climates where food is plentiful and conditions are less demanding. Breeding success is greatly enhanced by migration. Longer daylight hours in summer breeding grounds provide more time for foraging and feeding hungry chicks. Northern summers offer an explosion of resources, abundant insects, seeds, and fruits. This ensures chicks grow quickly and strongly before their first migration. Migratory birds also benefit from fewer predators in their breeding territories. Many predators don't migrate, creating safer havens for raising young. How do they navigate? Birds possess an incredible internal compass, sensing the Earth's magnetic field to guide their long journeys with precision. They also use the sun's position during the day and star patterns at night. Even on cloudy days, they have backup navigation strategies. Familiar landmarks like coastlines, mountains, and even specific scents help guide them. Experience passed down through generations also plays a role. Migration is fraught with dangers: severe storms, exhaustion, starvation, and predators. Sadly, many birds don't complete their journey. Habitat loss along migratory routes is a growing threat. Stopover sites, crucial for rest and refueling, are disappearing due to human development. Protecting these vital pathways and stopover sites is crucial for their survival. Conservation efforts help ensure future generations can witness this spectacle. Bird migration is a testament to nature's resilience and adaptability. It's a complex, awe-inspiring survival strategy, finely tuned over millennia. Let's appreciate and protect these incredible travelers. Every bird that flies reminds us of the interconnectedness of our planet's ecosystems.